Okay, today I'm gonna discuss about job scheduling. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Stevanus. I am from Industrial Engineering 1 and I make this video for remedial UAS P3. So, let me start. Here we got a question. Assume that company X, company X, company X has 3 jobs to finish, and they only have 3 machines: machine 1, machine 2, and machine 3. In this table, we get a sequence like this, and we got the operation time for the machine 2. For example, this is job 1. To finish job 1 at the operation 1, we need 7 hours, which means 7 hour of machine 1 while it's working. So here G2, in the process 1, we got 6 hours on machine 2, and so on. And we have an assumption that job 1 should be finished in 30 days, within 30 days. Job 2 should finish within 25 days, and job 3 should finish within 35 days. And here we got some blank space for total processing time, and for the tardy jobs, where it is tardy or not, and how many days of lateness. And this is, we got a blank space too for max span, total completion time, total tardiness or total lateness. This total tardy jobs, and this is total maximum lateness. So we start. Here we put all 0 on these 3 machines because all of the machines are idle at the first time. And here we got job 1, operation 1, and mission 1. And here we got job 2, operation 1, and mission 2. And here we got job 3, operation 1, mission 1. So we put here all 0 because we don't do anything at all at the first time. And here the required time to finish the job we got from this column right here. So it is 7, 6, and 8. After this, we sum this column with this column to get the total completion time. Alright, let's sum this. Wait. I do wrong calculation. Sum this. Okay. And drag it all the way. So From the total completion time, find the shortest time or the smallest value. In this case, the smallest value is 6. So we put 6 on this column. 6 belongs to mission 2, and this is the process 212. Alright, now we're jump to the stage 1. So the mission 1 starting time isn't changed yet, so we put 0. And the second machine has already do the job for 6 hours, so we put 6 hours here. And the third job hasn't done anything yet, so 0. Alright, for the iteration 1 or stage 1, we will change this row with this. So the previous one was 212, and we'll jump to the right of the cell, which means 2, 2, and 1. Job 2, process 2, and machine 1. So why we should move to the right side? Because it is job 1. The logic is we already finished the job 2 at the process 1, so we'll jump to the job 2 at the process 2. And after this finish, we're going to job 2 at the process 3, and so on. So we'll continue. This is 111 because this is remain unchanged. 0 is still 0 and is 7, and we'll sum this later. And we are moving to 221. And remain the same. This is 6 and 0 because it is not working yet. And here we got 4 and we got 8 and we sum all of this and do the same process just like the previous one. We'll find the smallest value which is 7, and 7 belongs to machine 1, so it is 111. Okay, now jump to the stage 2. Now the machine 1 has been working for 7 hours, so we put 7 here and 6 here because it is remain unchanged yet, and it is 0. So machine 1, we will change this row. Machine 1 111 will move to the second process, which is 1, 2, and 3. So we put here 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 1 remain unchanged. 3, 1, 1 remain unchanged. And process 1, 2, 3, we have 7 here because it's already do the job for 7 hours, and this is remain 6. No. It will change to 7 because the value of this is bigger than this. The value of the column here at the machine is bigger than the column here, so we change. We'll follow the time on these columns. This is 311 because it is already changed to 7, so the process will start at 7. Okay, and this is 1 2 3. 1 2 3 is 8. 1 2 3 is 8, and the next is 4, and the next is 8. 8 4 8. Alright, so we instantly get the result here, 11, because it is the smallest value. 11 belongs to machine 1, and it is 2 2 1. Do the same iteration at the stage 3. At the machine 1, the time is changing now. The time will become 11. It remains 6, and it is still 0. So at this row we didn't change anything, so just put here just the same. 1 2 3 7 8. Alright, 1 2 3 7 8. This is we changed this row. 2 2 2 2 1. We are going to jump to the third process, which is 2 3 3. So we change this, this remain the same, 3 1 1. And this, the processing time of this row, we will use this cell 11 because it's already do the job for 11 hours, so we continue or we start the job from 11. Legit is like that. And 311 311 311. Where is 311? Oh yeah, still 7. And this is 233 233 233 12. Yeah, wait, let me check this. Oh yeah, true. No, 2 3 3. Two, three, three. I'm sorry. 233 will remain 7. Because this column on the machine 3 is still 0. So we follow the previous time. Okay, I think it is right. It is clear right now. And then we 311, you put 8 here, let me check. We changed this into 11 because it is already changed to 11. So okay, this is the right sequence. So we choose this because 15 is the smallest value between 19s. So we choose 15. 15 belong to machine 3, and then 1 2 3. Okay, we're going to jump to the fourth stage. The fourth stage, finally we have machine 3 working. So it is still 11, it is 6, and it is 15. Okay, now 1 2 3 will move to the next step, so it will become job 1 process 3 and machine 2. So 1 3 and 2, 1 3 and 2, and the same 2 3 3 3 1 1 2 3 3 3 1 1 1 3 2. The time is 15. 15 following this result, and this is remain the same. No, 3 will become 15 because it is already, the machine 3 already do the job for 15 hour. So we continue this, and this is 11. 1 3 2, 1 3 and 2. We got 10 hours, and this is 12 and 8. 12 and 8. So we got 19 here because 19 is the smallest value. It's on machine 1 3 1 1. Okay, we'll jump to the next iteration. I'll do it faster to shorten the video length. So at the stage 5, we got 19 on the machine 1, remain 6, and it is 15. So it will remain 1 3 2, 2 3 3, and the third row will change from 3 1 1 to the second process, which is 3 2 2. Alright, 1 3 2, 15 15 and 19. 15 15 and 19. 19 from this cell, and this is following the previous one because the time here is smaller than this column, so we are not going to change this 15 into 6. This is not proper. So here machine 3 15, machine 2 following this. Okay, then 1 3 2 1 3 2 19, we got 10 12 and 8. 10 12 and 8. So we got a result 25 is the smallest value, One's most value 2, and this is 132. Okay, we'll jump. Yes, remind. And this is 6, and this. Hey, no, mission to 25. Wait. Wait a minute. This is 25, which means it will change to 25. Yeah. Mission to 25, it is 15. And 1, 3, 2. 1, 3, 2, it is finished on 25. So because this 132 is the last process of the job 1, so the total processing time will become this 25. So for the job 1 it's done, so we assume that we remove this row and we continue with this 233 and 322 with this is 15, and 322 will become 25, and this is 12, and this is 8. So we got the smallest value is 27, belongs to mission 3, 233. So 27, 2, 3, 3. Because the job 2, the last process is job 2 at the third process and the mission 3, so the total processing time will become 27. Okay, job 1 and job 2 are done, and we continue with the job 3. Alright, we put this remain 1925 and will become 27 from this result. 322 with 25, 8, so it is 33. Alright, 33 on the second machine. 33 on the second machine. 322. Okay, and 3, 2, 2. Okay, the last process. So it is 19, it is 33, 19, 33, and this is 27. Jump to the third process. 333. 333. Okay. Starting from 33. The time is 7. So 40 is the last iteration, the last process, and 333. So we are done for the sequence. So the last process of job 3 takes 40 hours. Okay, now look at this start the jobs column. Assume that job 1 should finish in 30 days. Alright, and the job 1 finish in 25 days, so it is not a tardy job. Job 2 should finish within 25 days, and the actual date to finish the job is 27, so it is, yes, it is the tardy job. Job 3 takes 35 days to finish, and the actual time to finish is 40, so it is a tardy job. So it is yes. So how many days on lateness? Yeah, we'll just do a simple calculation. Due date minus total processing time. Positive value means it is not late, and negative value means it is late. So max span, the maximum total processing time is 40, so we put 40 here. Total completion time is the sum of all of this total processing time. So the total completion time is 62, and the total tardiness. So we're gonna do a ABS function here. Hey, sorry. ABS function here. And this cell plus this cell. Alright, enter. So the total lateness is 7 from 3 jobs, and the total tardy jobs is 2, 1 and 2. Okay. The L max, it means that the maximum lateness from this data we got the smallest value is -5, so L max is 5. Okay, I'm gonna continue to make a Gantt chart. So let's start. On the question we got on the answer, previous answer, we got machine 1, machine 2 and machine 1 at starting at 0. Machine 1 on the job 1 starting at 0 and in 7. Job 2 machine 2 start from 0 and in 6, and job 3 machine 1 start from 0 and in 8. So the first the job waiting in machine 1 on the first iteration is job 1 and job 3. So make this job 1, sorry, it's not working. So job 1 and job 3, everything in machine 1. Job 2 in machine 2. So here we got job 2 start first. The length is 6, so we assume that this is job 2. Job 2 is 6. Okay, then next iteration we got job 1 and machine 1 start from 0 to 7. So that 7 is here. So 1, job 1, job 1. Okay, so 7. So job 2 is finished, job 1 is finished. With it. Alright, next job 2 from 7 to 11. Look at the table. On the job 2, job 2 machine 1, job 2 machine 2, wait. Okay, the next result we got job 2 from second process and at the first machine from 7 to 11. So we continue this 7 to 11. That is job 2. And the next from 7 to 15 on machine 3. We mark this 7 here, 7. 7 to 15. 7 to 15 on the machine 3. Okay, 7 to 15 on machine 3, and then eight to 19 on machine 1. This from 11 to 19. 19 machine 1, job 3. And then 25 from machine 2, 25, from this 15 to all the way to 25. It is job 1. And the next is 27. Okay, 33 at machine 2, 25 plus 8 is 33 on machine 2, job 3. And the next 40 from 33. And 15 to 27 it is job 2, and 25 to 33 job 3, and then 33 until 40 it is job 3. So this is the end of